really testing the limits of the 4x4. It's just deep, fluffy snow. Deserty snow. Well, this is a big climb. Here we go. You don't want to lose your speed, but you don't want to. What's up, guys? We're out here at Chute Lake in the Okanagan after a snowstorm. We're at Chute Lake, overlooking Kelowna, the Okanagan, BC, Canada. Sorry there wasn't a video for a while, guys. We went to Banff on a trip and got some video of it, but not enough to make a video, or didn't have a video to put together with the footage, so took a bit longer. But yeah, guys, it's nice out here, man. Just kind of overlooking the city. The tarp was kind of giving me trouble at this site, just because there's no trees, but kind of got it rigged up just a bit. Not really, still need some work, but I need to get the fire going. It is cold. That's my tonneau cover. Using it as an anchor point. No trees, guys. No forest. Wow. What do you say? Get the drone up there? Well, that's it, guys. Just gonna eat that, then head to bed. You can actually see the city lights from over here, which is pretty cool. The camera's not picking it up, but you can see the bridge too, just over there. Which is pretty neat. Yeah, see you guys in the morning. We'll get out of here, see what it looks like in the morning. See if we can get a sunrise. Alright guys, it is the next day and it is cold. Fire completely went out and the tarp did come apart a bit. It's really quiet up here. It's nice, it's peaceful. Even though you're so close to the city, it's still pretty peaceful. I'll probably just start packing up now and then get some breakfast going. That is it, guys. That is it. Thank you for enjoying another camping trip with me, and stay tuned for more. Take care.